Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how I made this cute set Toy Story themed sugar cookies. Alright, so here as you see I already baked all my cookies and I'm gonna pre-mark on some shape with the pencil, kinda little guidelines. And I'm gonna start doing color by color since I have quite a few of them to make, so I'm gonna start to uh, fill my shape and let them dry a little bit, crust over, so I can put the final details on them. All right, so I'm working with royal icing. I'm gonna have two consistency, a little thicker for outlines and some writing and details, and flooding consistency to fill the shapes out, just like I'm doing on this cookie. If you're interested for the recipe that I'm using, it's made with mirroring powder made by Wilton. I'm gonna leave a link for the recipe in my description box, so if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. But here we go. I hope you enjoy, and let's do this. All right, and here's the final results. This is what they look like when they dried out. And these ones I just write with marker. Happy birthday freehand. Those I showed you guys how I did this. On white, I just let the white crust over and I just piped number 3 on top. Then, come on, focus. I just did the black edible marker and the right final detail. This is my name with the clouds. So yeah, so this is how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I helped somebody with you know, just to see how this done if you're beginner. So go ahead, like my video, like my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye, love you so much.